Hi guys, glad to have you back. Now in this video we want to concatenate functions we've learned in the previous videos before, okay? So I'm talking about the Vlookup function, the match function, and the choose function. Now, as you can see here, I have three different tables, okay, where I want to get some information from, okay? For instance here, I've already created data validations. Now, the table, because we have three tables, the revenue, the information we want to get, and the year. Now, since these tables look exactly the same, normally we could just put all these information in one table and use a simple VLOOKUP function, right? Of course we could do this, but now, in this video, we want to concatenate the functions, okay? So, suppose this is not possible. Now, let's just use it equals VLOOKUP, alright? And the lookup value, what we are searching for, is, you can see here, the information which we want to get. The table array, well, right now we have three different tables. So we need to choose our table, right? And so type in choose, okay? The index number is a table we select here. And the values are, the first table array is this one. The second table array is this one. And the third table array for the VLOOKUP function is this one. Okay? So now we will choose the table array, close the choose function, and the column index, we will use the match function to determine the column index, because the column index depends on the year we select here. Okay? So type in match, press tab. The lookup value is the year, and the lookup array, well, the array depends on the table, okay? So we will use the choose function again, type in choose. The index number is defined by the table we select, and the value, well, for the match function, we are searching for, right, ranges. The first range is this one. The second range is this one for the second table. And the third range is this one for the third table. Okay? So we close the choose function. Okay? And we are searching for an exact match. So type in a 0 to close the match function. And now we are back in our VLOOKUP function. We have chosen our column index with the match function and in concatenation with the choose function. And we're searching for an exact match. So type in a 0, close parenthesis, press enter, and we get an NA. Why do we get an NA? Well, because in the second table there is no revenue for 2008, right? It's in the first table. So if we select here the first table, we will get the revenue for 2008. And for instance, if we select the third table and the revenue for 2015, we get the revenue for 2015, right? We could also look up some kind of other information, the net income, and we get the net income for 2015. So now, in this specific example, for instance, if you do not want to see an error message here, what you could do is, you could use another function in front of the VLOOKUP function. So it's called the if error function. So if you type in an if error here, so this function checks whether this is an error. And if this is an error, we could type in something instead of this error message. For instance, a 0, okay? Then close parenthesis, press enter, and we would get a 0 because there is no net income 2015 in the first table, okay? So that was just an example where we concatenated all the functions we've learned before, and hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully you were able to follow the course, and thank you very much for following the course, as I said, and as always, stay tuned, keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.